Dear friends, today I'm talking about stock investing analysis. So actually, recently, due to the outbreak of the COVID-19 in Singapore, actually some of stocks uh, listed in SGX might be of interest. So actually, currently these are the three stocks that I put on my radar, which is Meltex International, which is symbol is 546.SI. Top growth is a BVA .SI, and Riverstone is AP4.SI. So I just need to key in the symbols that I need to the symbols list. So let's try pick up the information from Yahoo Finance. So after pickup, I can have a look at the information available from the Yahoo Finance. So all these three stocks are under the healthcare sectors. And Meltex International is actually from Taiwan. And this is the website that I can access to find out more on their products and service. The second one is Top Growth, which is a Malaysia company. And the third one is a Singapore. So these are the website. So the shares. Okay, these are the general information that I can capture from the Yahoo Finance. So from here, actually, I can proceed with the fundamental analysis. Over here, I will string the balance sheet and the statement on this to find out more about the fundamentals information. So actually, I'm more interested in the gross profit that is generated from the by the company. And also the ROE, return on equities, and earning per share. Profit margin. Gross profit margin. Let's see. For now, that is actually 171819 is quite constant, around 50%. It's not a very specialized actually in 2020 the profit margin actually grew a lot. It's 42.8%. That's a very good range. 20% above should be a good bet. Let's see. 20 to 25. BVA is also a good earning. Same as AP4, 49. So let's say a return of equity. So they also return back with a dividend. So the shareholder actually get back the money that they invest through the dividends. That is quite interesting. Earning per share also quite interesting or interesting from the COVID. So let's say I want to plot the ROE. Yes. I have the scope. So from here, the return of equity, actually the 546 is about that. Measuring is having a higher return of equity. So technical analysis, I also need to pick up the information. So let's say I'm interested in 2020, January up to now, or maybe let's say before COVID. COVID is actually 2020. Somewhere mid of January where Wuhan start to close down the city. So maybe I have a look at 2019 somewhere October. So I pick up data from October onwards. And let's say I'm interested in the first stock to see the moving average and short period. This is a medium term investor, which is a 2050. Let's say, I'm expecting a medium term return for COVID because COVID is still relatively active currently. Still does not seem to cease off from the infections for various countries. So I put the short-term 20 days and long-term 50 days to have a look whether is this a good time to enter the stock for the stock is a Meltec International. Let's see, we run the code and actually you can see is actually the short period is above the green color, which is a long period. So it's actually after it's crossed over, the price actually tests a long period and it's bounced back. So it's a good period to enter if this is going to continue the upward trends. From here you can see it's an upward trends setting up over here. So let's say I am evaluating based on stochastic. Let's say my period, long period is 14 and short period is 5 day. So I set and graph. So you can see actually the percentage D and percentage K. So there's a crossover over here. And it seems that it's already at a high period. Medium term usually look at 26 and 7. Let's see. It's also at a high period. So let's take a look at the second stock, which is top growth. So actually similar to the second location. I run again and have a look. Now is also you can see very nice rebound back for the price for the long period support, and it's going the price going to cross the short period already. This is a good entry point for the top growth. And let's take a look at the stochastic. It's also showing a good entry point, but it's also crossing over. So maybe tomorrow we'll see large volume. Let's take a look at the third stock, Riverstone. Moving average. What you can see is also falling back to get a support for a long period and it break out. So actually it's already breakouts. Price is already break out from the short period. So it might be high currently. So you need to wait for the retrace back if there is any. If there isn't, maybe you missed the boat already. Let's take a look at their stochastic. It's showing the same. Yes, it's also showing moving towards the high point for the percentage K. So this is the program that I use to visualize my stocks and evaluate on those stocks that I'm interested for the balancing of the fundamentals and technical. So if you are interested or want to know more about the web, you can can leave your notes below. I'll try to answer it. Thank you.